Shalom, shalom. See right here, this corn I planted in March, middle of March, during seeding time. You see that? This corn sprouting all over the place. This how it looked from far back. But this corn all up in here. You can see they growing. Right here, this is a nice piece that's growing. You gotta give them time. This is a good piece. You gotta give them time to let them mature. Right here. See that? They all up in here. I planted a lot of them. Just getting up here to check them. They need some water. They need to be watered. It's Horticulture 101. Put the seeds down. Get the ground together. You get the seeds down. You plant your seeds, then you harvest. It's not harvest time yet, but it will be soon. Shalom.